In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a purchase order in Xero. We'll walk through the full process from signing in to approving the order, so you can create purchase orders accurately and keep your purchasing records organized from the start. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. Starting in the right place helps avoid creating documents in the wrong company file. Next, go to the top right corner and click the plus new button. From the menu that appears, choose Purchase Order. This opens a new purchase order form where you'll enter all the key details for the transaction. In the contact field, select the supplier you want to order from. This links the purchase order to the correct vendor and helps keep your contact and purchasing history consistent. If you already have the supplier saved in Xero, you can simply begin typing their name and select them from the list. After that, fill in the core purchase order details. Enter the date raised, which shows when the order is being created, and the delivery date, which indicates when you expect to receive the goods or services. Then add the order number and a reference if needed. These details make it easier to track the order later and match it to invoices or deliveries. Now choose the appropriate currency and tax settings. This is especially important if you work with international suppliers or if different tax treatments apply to different purchases. Double-check these settings before moving on, because they affect the totals shown on the order. To add what you're purchasing, click Add Row and enter the product or service details. Use clear descriptions so the supplier and your team can easily understand what is being ordered. If there are multiple items, continue adding rows as needed. Then complete the quantity, price, account, and tax rate fields for each line item. This is where the financial side of the purchase order comes together. Make sure the quantities and pricing are correct, and confirm the account and tax rate match the type of expense you're recording. If delivery information is needed, enter the delivery address, attention details, telephone, and any delivery instructions. These fields help ensure the order gets to the right place and can reduce delays or confusion during delivery. Before finalizing anything, review the entire purchase order carefully. Check the supplier, item descriptions, amounts, tax, and delivery details. A quick review now can save time fixing errors later. Once everything looks correct, click Approve to finalize the purchase order. Thanks for watching.